Hello, this is Dr. for entertainment or educational purposes only, of course. Got to save face with my 100 viewers. Anyway, people are probably like, what's going on with AMC today? So it did break out of the range, right? We know that it broke out Friday. But what do I expect now? Well, since it's broke out the top here, depending on whether it's a UTAD, which I don't think it is, or a sign of strength, looks like a sign of strength to me, then we expect with a sign of strength that it comes back down to the top of the range to test it. So where are we at? We need one of these things. So we expect it to come back down, then come up again, kind of do a sideways thing, come back down. This is one. It goes down, comes back up. I have to get another one. Comes back up again, then comes over, tests it one more time, and then takes off. Okay, so is this theory supported by point figure? As you see, we do have a double top breakout, so that's a positive bullish sign. When it's green up here, that means it's positive, double top breakout. You can search that if you want to on stockcharts.com to figure out what that exactly means. Now the count here is like 1, 2, 3, and then the most it could be 1, 2, 3. So the most we're looking at a breakout is not too high, really. So from a count perspective, if it's using this other thing as a leverage, it could potentially come up into here and then start using this wall. So the point figure is a little unclear, but if it holds, which the double top breakout, only going up one, is still a sign that it can break back down. It usually has to get 2 X's in there, so that would be above $10, and then it's just a significant push up at that point. I'm supposed to go for the bottom, so let's see, 3 times 3 is 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which would put it at 1150, which would then enter into this zone, and you would have to do a separate count at that point. So 1150 to nest is what the count is looking at. So as far as this going, I would expect a pullback. This may take, just drawing it out, looks like it could take till the middle of the week to play out. So don't feel hurried here. Now, unless they're being very aggressive about it and wanting to pull a major thing, which I don't think they do. I think they've already got the shorts trapped. Yeah, this is the way I would see it playing out. Now, if it's distribution, which means this ending ended up being a UTAD, which would suck, then we would expect it to come down further into this range, then come back up, and then do almost the exact same thing, but come down almost as low, and then instead of coming up and breaking through this line, it would find resistance here and then break down, and the UTAD probably, and then it would have a reaction here, and it would keep going that way. So that's the bearish outlook, but like I said, I don't see them having much of a bearish outlook. Like I said before, if you go out to the 5-year and you see the volume, I know a lot of it was just dropped on it, but still, it doesn't look like they're wanting to sell any of this, that they accumulated this is a pretty large volume. As you can see, it's comparable to the times when AMC really pushed off. So, yeah, I think some decent things to come here with AMC. I'm sure the Bollinger Bands are still going insane on here because it dropped so much. But yeah, it doesn't give you any sign. It's come down a little bit here. I guess I should do that. And this end used to be $2.21. I'll kind of leave it there because I don't think it can go negative forever. Negative 269. Yeah, I mean, I don't really use indicators, but you know, for the heck of it, I just did here just to kind of see what the range was. But yeah, this is looking pretty good. Can it pull back down into the range and catch and not really be over? Yeah. It's much less unlikely that they're going to stay in this range either way. But my best bet is that it's going to keep going up. Now, the sign of strength, that's what it is. We really want to see it not go, don't want to go, which, it has before. It's went in here and still had a push up, so we definitely don't want to see it go to below 861. Then it's going to be it's going to be a mess. So about 880, the pullback. Yeah, that's pretty much what I have for you. If you have any questions, drop them in my comment thing. You know, as usual, I'm more bullish now currently on AMC, and I think that we're going to eventually get back up into it'll be at the 50s area here soon, which would just be kind of normal where it would be. That would be like the normal, if you looked at it, it would be pretty much the normal range, being in between 30 and 50. Even going back in time, before COVID, it would be in 185. So there's a lot of potential right now with it. So yeah, good time to stockpile, whether or not you think it's going to go in the near future or drop down a little bit first. It's still worth it. On that, I'll catch you on the flip side.